What's up, guys? We are finally here with a new video. It's been forever, man, for real. Don't blame me though. Let's blame Travis Scott, man. Like, this merch took forever. It really said 3 to 5 weeks, 5 weeks max. It's been more than that, but you know, I'm just glad it's here. It's finally here. We're gonna unbox it, check it out, do a review, see if it's all good, and that's basically it. Again, I'm sorry for the late upload, but we are finally back. So Travis Scott, ASTROWORLD merch. Let's do it. All right, so in all, I got 3 pieces. Let's do the box first. Let's unbox the box. All right, opening the box. First thing you'll see in the box is the hoodie. Ooh, this looks cool, man. And I did order the hat because I've been rocking the same hat for how long? Finally, like, I was actually going to buy a new hat, and then, you know, he got one out. So shout out ASTROWORLD Travis Scott hat, you know what I'm saying? Check that out. And let's open up this bag. I don't think we need to cut it open by any chance. Yep, we can just rip it open. Yep, opening this bag, we got the Virgil Abloh Travis Scott Cactus Jack. Yeah, I think it was the last release in the collection. I don't know, I might be wrong, most likely wrong, because I did see things after, but you know, of the main things, this was the last one. All right, let's start off with the hat first. So the first thing you'll see in the hat is that it's really just that the ASTROWORLD, maybe like half an inch in size. Peep that out. Yep, embroidered on there. If you move to the back, it says "Wish you were here." Peep that out. Embroidered also. Buckle on the back, regular buckle. Going inside, what is this? What? Oh my gosh, that's whack, dude. Okay, high key, this is trash. Look, dude, it's like those whack embroideries, man. I don't know, man, this is trash. Oh man, high key disappointed in that. That's really disappointing, dude. How the hell am I gonna wear this? What? I don't know, I gotta work this way. Look at this, dude. The least they could have done is cut it, man. But what is this terrible, terrible. I like the piece, but oh my gosh, that's trash. This part is trash, dude. That's disappointing. Like, look at the embroidery on this. On my, like, y'all couldn't have done that, bro. Like, just, you gonna charge how much for this? Oh my gosh, that's trash, bro. All right, getting into the next one. I feel like this embroidery is gonna be trash now. Oh my goodness. All right, so opening up the bag, first thing you see is the size you get. I got a large. Opening the bag up. In the bag, just, you know, the warning label of like it being a choking hazard towards kids and stuff, so avoid it at all times. We'll take that out. We're gonna take this one out too. On the front, buy a thread, which is what the piece is called. Size large. I don't see any opening in this, so I think we can just rip it open. Let's rip it open. So let's get the portable hanger drawer thing in. Display these. Alright, so the first piece we're gonna go through is the ASTROWORLD hoodie. This is I got it from the first release, dude, and believe it or not, I got this after the Virgil Abloh shirt. And if y'all know how that went, of course, as I said, the Virgil Abloh shirt was last, so I was like, what the hell, why didn't I get this? I got this like a week after I got the Virgil Abloh. Anyways, on the front, you just get the ASTROWORLD logo embroidered. We'll get inside just to see how it looks, but the back is what I was looking for. The back is basically like the hat. This is basically like the hat, but on a hoodie. You know, it says "Wish you were here." Let's check the inside. Let's hope the embroidery. Oh, okay, yeah, good. See, no, actually, yeah, I mean, it's better than the hat. If y'all check this out, peep out the embroidery. Could have done better, way better, but you know, merch will be merch, man. It's just that quick through quality. It's all good though. Nobody's gonna see the inside. The hoodie is kind of on the thinner side, which I'm fine with that because it's kind of always hot here where I'm at, but yeah, you know, kind of Looking at the inside, they didn't use gilded, I'm assuming. It's not gilded like Yeezy merch. Check it out. It says ASTROWORLD, Wish You Were Here. Curated by Cactus Jack, 2018 La Flame what is that? Enterprises, 80% cotton, 20% polyester, made in Pakistan, machine wash code, blah blah blah. And then size large, kind of looks like, you know, PG-13, you know, those movie thingies. They would put the PG-13 here and then why it's PG-13 or rated R, whatever, yeah. But yeah, check that out, ASTROWORLD. But I found a tag in here. It says, I don't know if this is the brand of the jacket or the blanks they use. It's called Independent Traded Company. I don't know if that's the brand of the blanks they use for the hoodie, but you know, I'm cool with the piece. I'm happy with it. I just really like the back. Moving on to the next piece. All right, so for the next piece, we just got a blank white tee with Travis Scott as a doll. Y'all know that infamous look. and he got cactus jacks on. That's what made me get this though, because like I have a pair of cactus jacks right there, and you know I was like, oh dude, I gotta wear this. So with the cactus jacks. But yeah, check out the labels: Travis Scott, Virgil Abloh, ASTROWORLD 2018. Same thing about the machine wash code, blah blah blah. What got me though was the back. Check out the back. Oh my gosh, check out the back. Oversized design, Travis Scott with the cactus again, jacks, Travis Scott, Virgil Abloh, ASTROWORLD 2018. Keep that out. That's cool, man. I like it. It looks good. It's thin though. It's really thin. No tag anywhere about like, you know, like the jacket, but I'm gonna be honest, it feels cheap. It's not high quality. Like, to be honest, Kanye and Drake have the best merch, man. Like they have quality merch, but you know, it's cool. I mean, overall it's cool. It's kind of disappointing, man. It's kind of disappointing, but you know, it's something to wear just to beat now that I know. I mean, shoot, it's cool, but I am a fan of the ASTROWORLD you know, album. It's cool, so big shout outs again. But again, you know, could have done better. So, and that's basically it, fam. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. More videos are coming soon. The holidays are coming, which means more drops, especially fall, winter. And you already know fall, winter got the best attire, so stick around, stay tuned. We coming soon. That's it. Again, sorry for the late post. Blame Trav. I don't know what the hell made him send everything so late, but at least we got it. So again, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Any questions and concerns. I personally am not really happy with it, kind of disappointed, not content, but I guess I'm gonna just beat them. Peace out. Love y'all. Peace. This hat fits pretty damn good. All right guys, peace.